Thomas.
I literally came back to Minecraft and saw like a whole building.
Yesterday, I came home from work at like 12 and I stayed up till 7 playing it.
Until 7?
Yeah, I slept for like 5 hours.
Oh my god.
Physique check.
I need to lock in and build what I need to do.
I was gonna bring my laptop.
Lisani? Babe? The camera! Seasoning.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to. Hey, guys. We're with the crew right now. We're with Tita. Welcome to my detailing. Self-plug.
Hi, vlog.
This is yes. Hello, but what we got here is this is our breakfast, lunch, and dinner, eh? So I haven't been to before, but my name's Jan. How are you? Good. I'm good friends with these guys. Some people I don't know. But if you guys need help with anything, just let me know.
You spell your John, J-A-N or John?
Oh, I'm different, bro. It's 2 N's.
It used to be, and your teeth is...
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna be eating some really good food. I think it's dangerous to have the camera here, you know? I'm gonna just be yapping. I'm gonna be yapping. Tin foil? Just kidding.
Hello. Is this fish?
That's ribs.
I don't know, Sir John.
Is this fish good? That's your job.
Maybe my job.
Yeah, you're the cameraman for the day.
When was I assigned this job?
Just get the chair outside if you have space.
Yep.
Here we go. Look at that B-roll. And then
The bottom of that flag. Thank you. It's like I worked at Brown Social House before. Sometimes. Actually? I
Why are you
did.
laughing? Why are you laughing?
What do you mean I'm lucky? I'm coming.
I knew you worked at another restaurant, but I forgot the name, so I just went with Toyota.
This is more sharp. If you want.
Oh.
We were just talking about microplastics. Microplastics? Macroplastic.
Hindi ka nag-aerospace plastic na ako dito.
I don't understand why stars. Shout out to all the photos. That was one hand camera, the other one. That's crazy, yo. I only got 10 photos of that. And all of them got to be funny toward the camera. That's crazy. Yeah, let me catch you candid laughing, yo. That's what I'm talking about.
the video camera ko. One picture. Just like this. This song is so perfect. Oh my Alright, here we have.
My hands are full. Throwing shit if we start singing.
You zoned it back to the song?
Sorry.
Mojitos.
I forgot the environments. Oh.
Vitamins?
In vitamin C. Sometimes. Is there a lime tree here? You know, you can just. We have a plum tree. Yo, let's go. We have a plum tree.
You think you just do that?
Let's make from scratch.
So what did you make?
Oh, sorry.
Wait, don't pass it.
No. Restart. And then
Yes.
now you.
What is this?
This is.
What?
This is milky, strawberry, cognac, and mango daso. This is for you. She can't drink. We have to look. I offered it to you. I'm so sorry. I forgot.
Whoa.
I forgot.
I'm so sorry.
I mean, it's like 80% juice and then like 20%.
Basically, yeah, because I wanted to save one bottle for sure.
Yeah.
What's the finger?
Yeah.
Lychee.
Lychee, the strawberry, mango. Mango, I knew you liked it. I didn't even know.
Should I?
I just knew.
2 shots of vodka. Joke lang. No. Get too rowdy. I know for a fact.
What's this?
That one is very good. It tastes like juice too, but it's not spicy juice. That one?
It's for sure.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, just
not
leave
for
one
me.
for sure.
Not for me.
She didn't drink?
Open it.
Are you already?
Of course. Here we go. I'm gonna pass it over to here.
That's not.
Mobile?
I'm so glad I bought that.
What's the pink one?
Which one? Oh. Mango.
Just open it, take a straw, and you're good, Chair.
Please pause.
It's like a
Damn. That's your shot. Shot mo na. Feel like a Tito recording.
Or whatever. This Cheers.
Yummy. Uh-oh, that's so dangerous. It's so good. You might take more.
You would like go out for like an all full suit of armor or something?
Yeah.
Not as bad.
Make something that works.
Yeah, but then like all the stuff is gonna have to
So there's like years and years of training.
From a shot glass?
No, he spilled.
Yeah, but they just
Someone take this out. Take this away from me.
I guess they're gonna have to vote on it like before, so I don't know.
That's it.
You're done.
I'm just trying it out. It's just juice.
Trying it out for the 3rd time.
Suggested in the comments.
More like a
Unboxing button.
Easy.
You got that? I think green.
You're sober acting like this. And then you say clear. I'll move over.
What's your problem? What's my problem? I have no problem. I got no problem.
does it sound like messing up on?
I just noticed you have the same dimple as screen now.
I don't smell it.
Baka naman kasi
It's almost
magkapatid
like
sila, te. Yeah, no, I thought you looked that one.
You guys have like the same jeans?
Bro!
It's like, wait, how'd you guys do that?
Now you just spoil it. Get that extra 20 moments.
Put a sticker on there, like a mini spoiler people.
Like those tiny little tiny ones?
Yeah, the tiny table,
Right next door.
I mean,
You're checking for flight thing. Here's my.
do you want to do this?
Who's lifting who?
We're lifting the Sunny. We're lifting.
Honestly, like,
This is a whole team effort. Or Jared by himself. I think this.
Pinterest? Bro.
That's just a domain expansion.
yeah, domain expansion.
I'm fine right now.
You're fine right now? Oh, you're fine.
You guys came in as a nose and as Uno.
You guys play staff, by the way?
Hey, you're not my friend. You're not my friend. I have to put myself first. I gotta put myself first.
No, we gotta.
Keep on going, keep on going. I see so all my cards.
Wait, let's see. Let's see all her cards.
Okay, just play one.
And you can pass me the
They're
middle.
all the fucking same. Why do you think I was struggling to find some fucking color thing?
Winnable.
I take responsibility for shuffling.
No, bitch, you bring up my down. Shut up.
That didn't work as well as I wanted to. Sounding like a money spray.
Keep it stacked. Keep it stacked. Yo, we're gonna.
Settings. What is the shuffle?
Because I'm gonna tell you right now.
Wait, who went left first?
This is
Yeah,
wild.
oh, so me. Who went left? Alex went first.
Yeah, to your left. To your left.
I got you. Okay.
Someone's doing shit. Please.
That is so crazy. You got one, right? No. Let me stack my money. I feel like an NPC right now.
Oh, what color?
Dang.
Don't go green. Don't go green. You save your own win. Don't go green.
Green
It's all
or
gonna have a talk.
green or you break up? Green or you break up?
You're saving your own
No,
ground.
green or you
I'm gonna
break
go
up?
green before.
No green, no green.
Green or you break up?
Environmental friendly.
Green or you break up?
So forget Earth Day.
Green
No green, no green.
or you break up? I'm telling you, green or you break up?
You're gonna throw away your man's win just for her.
Green
This
or
is
you
insane.
break
This is-
up?
Nah, for real.
I'm telling you, green or you break
Red,
up?
please. Let me pick up my board cards, okay?
I didn't pick up my 40 cards. Didn't even let her pick her 4 cards. This
And then
big.
go blue.
Red, please, red.
Skipper or something.
Blue.
Anything but green.
Just
I didn't care.
Do you have a skill?
Last
Do you have a skill?
his last card.
Do you have a skill?
Color
Do you have a skill?
difference. The camera.
Do you have a skill? Do you have a skill?
Dude, I feel like an NPC right now, man.
Hey, couldn't you have used that? No, because those are color coordinated. Oh, yeah.
I don't have blue, but I cheer.
Yeah.
When you scroll up to the
I know you got a +2.
Hey, I'm worth it.